初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
What movies are showing today?
What movies are showing today?
今天上映什么电影？
What movies are showing today?
What movies are showing today?
Let's check the movie schedule.
Let's check the movie schedule.
我们查一下电影排片表。
Let's check the movie schedule.
Let's check the movie schedule.
I want to watch something funny.
I want to watch something funny.
我想看些搞笑的。
I want to watch something funny.
I want to watch something funny.
Do you like action or romance?
Do you like action or romance?
你喜欢动作片还是爱情片？
Do you like action or romance?
Do you like action or romance?
That new movie looks interesting.
That new movie looks interesting.
那部新电影看起来很有趣。
That new movie looks interesting.
That new movie looks interesting.
What time does it start?
What time does it start?
几点开始？
What time does it start?
What time does it start?
Let's book 2 tickets.
Let's book 2 tickets.
我们订2张票吧。
Let's book 2 tickets.
Let's book 2 tickets.
Can we choose our seats?
Can we choose our seats?
我们可以选座位吗？
Can we choose our seats?
Can we choose our seats?
I want seats in the middle.
I want seats in the middle.
我想要中间的座位。
I want seats in the middle.
I want seats in the middle.
Are there any left in row 5?
Are there any left in row 5?
第5排还有位置吗？
Are there any left in row 5?
Are there any left in row 5?
How much are the tickets?
How much are the tickets?
票价多少钱？
How much are the tickets?
How much are the tickets?
Do you want popcorn or chips?
Do you want popcorn or chips?
你要爆米花还是薯片？
Do you want popcorn or chips?
Do you want popcorn or chips?
Let's get a large popcorn.
Let's get a large popcorn.
我们要个大份爆米花吧。
Let's get a large popcorn.
Let's get a large popcorn.
I'll take a soda too.
I'll take a soda too.
我也要一杯汽水。
I'll take a soda too.
I'll take a soda too.
Can we bring water inside?
Can we bring water inside?
我们可以带水进去吗？
Can we bring water inside?
Can we bring water inside?
The line is moving slowly.
The line is moving slowly.
队伍移动得很慢。
The line is moving slowly.
The line is moving slowly.
Let's go to the snack counter.
Let's go to the snack counter.
我们去小吃柜台吧。
Let's go to the snack counter.
Let's go to the snack counter.
That popcorn smells amazing.
That popcorn smells amazing.
那爆米花闻起来真香。
That popcorn smells amazing.
That popcorn smells amazing.
Do you want sweet or salty?
Do you want sweet or salty?
你要甜的还是咸的？
Do you want sweet or salty?
Do you want sweet or salty?
I'll get some chocolate too.
I'll get some chocolate too.
我也要买些巧克力。
I'll get some chocolate too.
I'll get some chocolate too.
The movie is about to start.
The movie is about to start.
电影快要开始了。
The movie is about to start.
The movie is about to start.
Let's find our seats quickly.
Let's find our seats quickly.
我们快点找座位吧。
Let's find our seats quickly.
Let's find our seats quickly.
Excuse me, this is my seat.
Excuse me, this is my seat.
不好意思，这是我的座位。
Excuse me, this is my seat.
Excuse me, this is my seat.
Please turn off your phone.
Please turn off your phone.
请关掉你的手机。
Please turn off your phone.
Please turn off your phone.
The sound is really loud.
The sound is really loud.
声音真的很大。
The sound is really loud.
The sound is really loud.
Wow, that scene was exciting.
Wow, that scene was exciting.
哇，那个场景真刺激。
Wow, that scene was exciting.
Wow, that scene was exciting.
I didn't expect that twist.
I didn't expect that twist.
我没料到那个转折。
I didn't expect that twist.
I didn't expect that twist.
The actor is really talented.
The actor is really talented.
那位演员真的很有才华。
The actor is really talented.
The actor is really talented.
I like the background music.
I like the background music.
我喜欢背景音乐。
I like the background music.
I like the background music.
This part is so emotional.
This part is so emotional.
这部分太感人了。
This part is so emotional.
This part is so emotional.
I think I'm going to cry.
I think I'm going to cry.
我觉得我要哭了。
I think I'm going to cry.
I think I'm going to cry.
That ending was unexpected.
That ending was unexpected.
那个结局出人意料。
That ending was unexpected.
That ending was unexpected.
The credits are rolling now.
The credits are rolling now.
现在在放演职员表。
The credits are rolling now.
The credits are rolling now.
Let's stay and watch them.
Let's stay and watch them.
我们留下来看完吧。
Let's stay and watch them.
Let's stay and watch them.
I really enjoyed the movie.
I really enjoyed the movie.
我真的很喜欢这部电影。
I really enjoyed the movie.
I really enjoyed the movie.
The story was well written.
The story was well written.
故事写得很好。
The story was well written.
The story was well written.
I'd love to watch it again.
I'd love to watch it again.
我很想再看一遍。
I'd love to watch it again.
I'd love to watch it again.
Let's talk about it later.
Let's talk about it later.
我们晚点再讨论。
Let's talk about it later.
Let's talk about it later.
Want to grab a drink nearby?
Want to grab a drink nearby?
想在附近喝一杯吗？
Want to grab a drink nearby?
Want to grab a drink nearby?
That was a great movie night.
That was a great movie night.
那是个很棒的电影之夜。
That was a great movie night.
That was a great movie night.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。